Right guys, just a quick sort of look here at what I'm trying to do. Right, so we got all the core plugs in, we've got a flywheel, we've had some lovely bolts, we've got a plate, we've got a pressure plate, we've got a clutch plate. Alright, you clear a bit, but we've got a problem. Two problems. One, we haven't got the pin. I've got one, but it hasn't got a lock in it on it. So, and that's it. This is actually broke, but the bush is still in it. So the pin's free, or the pin will come out. But there's no oil seal. And these bolts are too long. They won't turn up. So, unfortunately, I've taken like 3 steps forward and 10 backwards. So, not the end of the world. I wanted to get whichever one of these I needed. So, at the moment, I'm sort of here on the side of that. I want a deep and a shallow one. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to have to buy some of this stuff. I've got no choice because I haven't got it here. So, when I can do an order, it makes more sense. Sorry if you're not seeing it this way. Right, I'll try and hold it more steady. Right, so it makes more sense to buy one of these because I'm probably going to need one anyway. So if I buy a deep one, I've got a shallow one. I might have one in the shed, but to go in that shed and find it, well, if I'm going to order it and I haven't got it, I definitely haven't got the oil seal for there. So I need a 4.2 oil seal. I need a bolt for here. It's like a, oh, I don't know what it's called, a worm screw with a hexagon head and a bloody locking ring. So that's it. This is the thing I'm talking about here. This pin here has got a lock nut on it, and they tend to come loose. So without that lock nut, I could use that one. I know people are going to say to me, why don't you? And why don't you just super glue it in? And I'm seriously going to consider it. But it's not going to help me much because, all right, I can cut the bolts. And if that thrust's all right, what do I actually save? I actually save some money, don't I? All right, okay, guys, you've convinced me. I'm convinced. Right, I need to cut these off a little bit. They'll be fine. They're not really wired, actually. And there's one under there. Look, can you see that one under there? He's keeping out of the way, but he's there. And he's here. Look, there he is. See? There he is, the bugger. So that's it. But from the point of view of the clutch plate, so that's actually quite nasty. Clutch plate goes on great. So we've got a starter motor. Flywheel is 4.2 because the lead in is correct. So I'm not going to say. I've found the drop brackets. Got them in the box over there. So at the minute, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit down and make a little list of what I need to get hold of. I've got a slave and I've got a pin. So I don't need any of that. This bracket is over there somewhere. I found it. So I'm going to have a look for that. Trying to think what else I might need. But I want to make this the last bleeding big order I make because I'm actually just sick of paying out money. So I've got an oil filter gasket for my filter housing. I've got an inlet manifold. I've got loads of rock cover gaskets. I need some paint stripper. That's good as I'm saying. And I also need some carb cleaner. But to be honest, guys, look, I've got this synchro mesh. Bit tight, but we'll free them off. She'll free off. And the proper work. So I'm possibly not using a 5-speed. Sorry guys, I know you want to see me use a 5-speed. I want to use a 5-speed, but there's just too many extra bits I need. If I don't need oil seal for the 5-speed, but I still need a locking pin. So I still need parts, even if I wasn't to use that. So at the end of the day, I mean, I might as well just, you know, not use it. So that's it. I've got exhaust manifold gaskets, got a wall pump gasket. I've got rock covers. I've got exhaust manifolds, I've got loads of downpipes. I've got everything I need. So I'm going to say that I'm not going to go down that road. I'm going to use this gearbox. And if the overdrive works, 356, it'll be good enough. Right, I don't know if you're going to see any of this, but I'm here. I'm going to try and find somewhere else to put it because I just hate it. But yeah, so that cleaned up, that's going to go, that'll be good. Job's good, and we'll be fine. I think it's my hands. It doesn't want to turn itself back on. Anyway, so look, I know that was a lot of crap, and if you don't enjoy it, don't look. But I wanted to try and get the clutch lined up. I wanted to know which thrust I need, so I am not going to be able to do it tonight because I'm thwarted again by lack of parts. So for the minute, I'm going to say, you know, hopefully you can make something out of this, because if you can't, well then you don't. But it is definitely a 4.2 balancing, it's definitely a 4.2 flywheel, and it's definitely a 4.2 synchronous gearbox. So I think that said, it's 4.2 all the way. So like I said, we're gonna keep on it. I'm not giving up. I've got plenty to do, and I was hoping I could do this tonight. God, I hate cars. But look, there you go. Painted up engine. Gearbox not painted up. Oh, just a quick note here for any particular Jaguar enthusiast. If you got the wrong engine, you need a spigot bearing, and there's a spigot bearing, and the spigot bearing is what that locates into. So a lot of automatics have not no spigot bearing. So if people take engines out of autos and try to put them in a manual, they won't work. That's the difference between originality and non-original. So yeah, you're right. Well, the engine, the block's original, the head isn't. But we're doing something different there. I mean, he's got a bit carried away painting the rods, but that's okay. What do you think, guys? Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Tell me. Are you to me? Are you to me? Right? I think I'm right, because I've got my downpipes over there. I've got my exhaust manifolds, standard E Type ones. I've got the rest of it the other side, standard. I've got the water pumps, not a problem. I've got the pulleys, not a problem. So really, I'm just kind of a bloody standstill because of this. And if that thrust will work, and I use that pin, and I'd say super glue it in, then centre punch it maybe. Give it a ping with the centre punch to break the thread up. It's not going to come out in my lifetime, is it? Alright, I'm convinced. Right guys, so like and subscribe, follow me about. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, don't look, because it gets worse. Alright, talk to you soon. Bye.